listen, constantly being in communication strengthens the tattvas in you. Each of the satsang centers constantly organized in different devotees, houses, places, small gatherings to introduce these four tattvas. Just call it as an introduction to inner awakening. Go round. Constantly share these tattvas. Tattvas can become satyas in you only when you are in communication. Otherwise, your old language will kill the new language. Listen. Tattvas are new way of cognizing, new cognizance. The old cognizance will feel threatened by the new cognizance. Not only listening, talking, communication, being in communication is necessary, continuously necessary. It is becoming part of our biomemory. Brahma Muhurta means yoga. It's becoming life. It is becoming bioenergy. Listen. Only when you add the integrity, you will even find out the great state secret. You don't know to think. You want happiness, but you always make the decisions to keep you unhappy. In Kumbh Mela, we had a completion session. One brahmachari says, no, everybody lives like this only. Only Swamiji lives whatever he is talking. I asked him, so if all the pigs are together, you will also be there. And he is completely comfortable with it. Jyotika, can you stand up? Whether you are sleeping or not, I know much better than you, okay? You are a person who can't close the eyes. Now, you are not a meditative person. Okay? So stand and listen. During the completion, this brahmachari was saying, because everybody lives in inauthenticity, he is also settled in inauthenticity. I was just laughing. Oh God. See, the funny thing, to be authentic, you need only your blessing. To be inauthentic, you need so many others' help. Because you have to justify your inauthenticity. continue to exist as human being. Wake up. Uttishtata jakrata prapyavaran nibodataha. Arise, awake, stop not till the higher consciousness is achieved in your life. The exact meaning of the word is this word from Upanishad, Kathopanishad. Uttishtata jakrata prapyavaran nibodata means arise, awake, stop not till you reach the people of higher consciousness, satsang. Vivekananda translated as, arise, awake, stop not till the goal is reached. I tell you, arise, awake, stop, the goal is reached. Just arise, awake. Uttishtata jakrata. Don't justify your inauthenticity because others are also inauthentic. Take responsibility for your inauthenticity and others' inauthenticity. Go on having the introduction to four tattvas. Continuously organize. Even if there are 5-6 people, 2-3 people, even one person, start the introduction. Start the introduction. When you are in communication, you live the tattvas. I could see 11 days in the Kumbh Mela. The whole 11 days has become literally like a training for people. To discover their inauthenticities more and more and clear. See, it's like how the fish bone is like a needle and it is there in its throughout the flesh. You have to dig out and remove every thorn. Same way, when you dig out, take every inauthenticity. Don't be overwhelmed seeing your inauthenticity. Don't justify your inauthenticity seeing others' inauthenticity. Saying everybody is inauthentic, only why I am only targeted. Nobody is targeting you other than you. People are too busy in targeting themselves. They have no time to target you. If you think everybody is targeting you, you are a fool. Listen. When we become authentic, you will stand any targeting. Even if you are targeted, when you are feeling powerless, even a small thing, you will collapse and fall down, saying that I am being targeted. Nobody targets you other than you. If you are strong enough, nobody can target you. You know how to stand. Fools are those who live in denial. listen, listen, listen. When you bring responsibility for your inauthenticity and others' inauthenticity, you walk in the line of Ketu. You save yourself. When you give up, make any decision during overwhelming of inauthenticity, you walk in the path of Ragu, you do irreparable damage to you. After that, repairing becomes a long task. The repair you cause to your inner space becomes a long task. Listen. When you stand with authenticity, you win the game of life. When you make any other decision while you are inauthentic, while you are feeling powerless, you cause irreparable damage to you, which takes a long time to repair. Even the will to repair sometimes disappears. It is our inauthenticities we don't stand together. When you radiate authenticity, we stand together. Stand with authenticity. That is the strength. Go with Ketu, never with Rahu.